Hello, this is a news from the New Times. Pro terms how districts are making 100 days of genocide commemoration. On April 13, an event will be held at the Levero Genocide Memorial to honor the politicians who were killed for opposing the genocide photo by Dani Gatsinzi. Rwanda and the world began the 31 annual commemoration of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi on Monday, April 7. This 100-day period honors the memory of over a million lives lost and is marked with events across the country. The commemoration continues in various districts. Some districts have released schedules for the commemoration activities planned over the next 100 days. Paying tribute to Queen Gicanda in Nyanza after the national commemoration ceremony on April 7, Nyanza district announced that another commemoration event will take place on April 13 in Kigoma sector, Butatsinda site. This will be followed by a tribute to the late Queen Rosalia Gicanda at the Muhima Mausoleum on April 20 in Busasamana sector. Queen Gicanda, the last queen of Rwanda and wife of King Mutara Wagatatu Rudahiga, was killed during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi on April 20. The 31 years later, one of the suspected killers of Rwanda's last queen, Brigadier General Jean-Baptiste Gakwerere, was recently arrested. Prior to the genocide, Queen Gicanda has traveled to Belgium to medical treatment. However, Belgium authorities instructed her to leave despite her visa still being valid. On April 27, commemoration in Nyanza will also offer decent burial for the remains of genocide victims. Other commemorations are planned for May 4 in Kibirizi, May 10 in Mukingo, May 18 in Chabakamyi to honor the Tutsi throne in Rivers, May 25 and May 31 in Muira, which will also provide the decent burial for genocide victims' remains. Additional events will take place on June 8, June 15, June 21, according decent burial for 512 genocide victims remains in Mukingo and Nyazo sectors, and June 27 to remember former commune staff. Honoring politicians in Kicukiro as the district level, a walk to remember will take place in Kicukiro district on April 11, starting at the IPRC Kicukiro, followed by commemoration evening at the Nyanza Genocide Memorial in Kicukiro. April 11, 1994 marked the withdrawal of Belgian forces from Eto Kicukiro, now IPRC Kigali, and the killers took advantage of the situation to murder more than 2,000 Tutsi who had taken refuge at the facility. On April 13, an event will be held at the Levero Genocide Memorial to honor the politicians who were killed for opposing the genocide. Commemoration in Kicukiro district will also take place at the sector level from April 9 to 10. Remembering children and women in Gasabo, commemorations in Gasabo will continue from April 9 to June 21 at different sites. In Irusororo sector, a decent burial will be provided for the remains of genocide victims on April 15 at the Luhanga Genocide Memorial Site. A commemoration at Kalayes Ndela is scheduled to April 17, where a remembrance vigil for children and women killed during the genocide will take place on May 15 in Nduba sector. Remembering families who were killed and thrown into Lake Muhazi is expected on June 21 in Rutunga sector. Nyarugenge commemoration activities in Nyarugenge district will continue from April 10 to June 60 on various dates. Bugesera, the Central Bureau in Mayanje. From April 11 to June 16, Bugesera and district will conduct commemoration activities. A key event is on April 15 in Mayanje, where victims' remains will be laid to rest in dignity. Musanze in Musanze district event began April 8 when Prime Minister Edward Ngirente were paid tribute to 416 victims at Busogo Genocide Memorial. Commemoration activities are also planned to April 12, April 13, April 14, April 15, April 25, May 16, May 21, May 23, May 25, and May 26 in specific locations depending on the history of the genocide in different areas. Luhango commemoration activities in Luhango will continue on April 19 and 20 in Kinazi and in Hongwe sectors, May 3 and 4 in Kabagari and Kinihira, May 17 and 18 in Luhango Bziman and in Miendo sectors, and May 20 to remember pastors, children and women in Beramana sector. May 31 will be marked in Mbuye sector with additional event on June 1 and 6. Kayonza in Kayonza district commemoration activities will run until May 9. They will take place in different sectors on April 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 23, 25, 30, and May 9. Rubavu commemorations in Rubavu district will continue on April 9, 29, 30, and May 17, 18, and June 26. Decent burial 8 sites in Huye. Commemoration in Huye district will run from April 13 to June 6. The date includes April 13, 18, 20, 21, 20, 23, 25, 27, 28, 30, and May 2, 3, 9, 16, 17, 18, 23, and June 5 at different memorial sites. Commemoration in Huye will be characterized by recent burials for genocide victims' remains on 8 sites and a remembrance for children and women one site. Honoring Tutsi Trona in Muvumba Live in Nyagatare. According to the shared commemoration activities are planned for April 8 and 9, where genocide survivors will be supported, as well as on April 10, 11, and 13 to honor the Tutsi Throne to the Muvumba Live, April 17, and May 7, 8, 15, 21, and 19. Remembering wiped out families in Ngoma district has organized commemoration activities on April 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 26, 27, and May 9 to 31. On May 31, wiped out families will be remembered at Ngoma Stadium, remembering Tutsi thrown in Akagera Live in Kirehe. Commemoration activities in Kirehe are planned for April 8 for Tutsi thrown into the Akagera Live, as well as April 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 25, and May 9, 23, and 30. Ed Santiburi for the bodies of genocide victims is expected on April 14 in Nyarubuye. Women, children, and youth to be remembered in Muhanga. In Muhanga district, commemoration activities are scheduled for April 12, 15, and May 7, 12, 20, 26, and June 2, 6, where genocide victims' bodies will be given decent burial. Women, children, and the youth killed during the genocide will also be remembered on dates yet to be announced in the district. Gisagara, in Gisagara district, commemoration will continue on April 18 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 27, and 9, and 16. May 9 and 16, the activity will be marked by decent burial on 5 sites, as well as support for vulnerable genocide survivors. Nyamasheke commemoration in Nyamasheke district is planned from April 12 to June 5. Women, children, and youth will be honored on May 29 and June 5.